Hey teachers, so a really quick video today. Hopefully I can keep it super short. Today I'm going to show you how to combine multiple PDF documents into one single PDF document. If you are looking for how to split a multi-page document into separate single PDFs, I have that video as well and I'll be sure to link it below. But because I promised to keep this video short, let's get started. I'm going to start by sharing my screen. While I'm doing that, I'm going to ask that you go ahead and open up a new tab in your Google Chrome browser if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and go to combinepdf.com, just as it shows up on your screen. Now, if you've watched my video that talks about how to convert files, this might look familiar to you. It's the same website. You can do just about anything that's listed here. So we're going to combine PDFs, which you can see that's the tab I have selected. I'm going to click Upload Files. I'm going to choose this printable online activity choice board that I'm going to be uploading into my teacher store. I'm also going to choose my terms of use document, and I want to use the one with active links, which is why I am using the Combine PDF software, because I want for those active links to work whenever someone who buys this product is able to open it. Okay, as you can see, they are already uploaded and all I have to do is click Combine. And the new downloaded, fully loaded PDF document will show up here. I can just click on that, and I always do that to review and make sure everything looks the way I want it to, which it does. Those were the instructions. Those are all of the images that come with the activity, including the example and blank template at the end, as well as the terms of use, and it looks like those links are live and working, which is great. So I have a couple of different options for saving. I can right-click on the document and click Save As, and then just save it to where I want it to go, which is what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to put TPT at the end so that I know that is a separate document. I don't want to overwrite that one, and I'm going to save it. It'll be right there. You can also, of course, click the download button up here on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, just be advised, if you do the print option, which you can do, and then save as a PDF, you might lose your active links that you've put in. So I always recommend going to Save As unless you want to take those links out. Same thing if you have any fillable fields. So say you just made some editable documents, you put some fillable form fields, and then you combined them on Combine PDF. If you want those fields to stay fillable, don't print it as a PDF yet, because then you're going to lose all of the fillable fields you just put in. So that is pretty much it. In this video, I showed you the website where you can combine separate single PDF documents into one larger multi-page PDF document. And I even showed you a little quick snippet if you want to convert files, how you can click the different tabs to do that. If you're interested in learning how to convert PDFs into different types of files, do check out my other videos because I have a really super quick and easy tutorial that you can follow to do that. And that's pretty much it for today. Again, my name is Brittany, also known as Miss Roberts from Teach Blog Travel. Be sure to subscribe to my video tutorials if you're new to Google Classroom, distance learning, Google Apps, and online resources. You can also feel free to email me if you need extra support at brittany.roberts@teachblogtravel.com. And if you haven't already, be sure to sign up for the Google Classroom Crash Course. That's just what teachers need if they're new to anything distance learning. I hope that was helpful. Until next time.